today's video, I'm going to share with you guys the 5 basic knife skills that you need to proceed in any professional kitchen. Let's get started. First, I'm going to show you how to properly hold your blade. Instead of going for the handle like you might think, what you're going to do is you're going to hold the thumb on one edge of the blade by the base and hold your pointer finger on the other. So it should look something like this. The reason we do this is that so we can have better control of the knife and where it's going to cut. It may seem awkward at first, but once you practice holding it like this, moving it around, you should properly see that you have much better control than simply holding it by the handle like this. You don't really control where the blade goes, but rather the entire knife. But if you hold it like this, you can easily control where the blade goes in relation to you cutting and doing other tasks. The second tip I'm going to teach you is how you should properly hold your knife when in the kitchen. Knives, as you can see, are very dangerous. They have a sharp edge. So what you want to do is that you always want to hold the blade towards yourself, meaning you want to keep it within to make sure that no one on your outside can possibly be injured. Safety is one of the most important things when it comes to knife skills. Always look out for yourself and always look out for others. Remember, keep your blade in to make sure that no one around you can be cut, and keep it below the waist side. The last knife skill I'm going to show you is how to properly hone your knife. We hone our knives between each usage to make sure that our knives are as sharp as it can possibly be. So what we're going to do is that we're going to need to hit a 15-degree angle on our knives. An easy way to do that is to hold your knife at a 90-degree angle, go to 45, go by half, and then slightly below to make sure that we hit that perfect 15-degree angle. Then you're going to start from the base of your blade and go all the way to the tip in one motion. Then you're going to do the same on the other side to make sure that your knife is fully sharpened. That is how you properly hone your knives, and you can do it for between 10 to 15 times. You don't want to overdo it because you're going to waste too much metal off your knife, and you don't want to underdo it because you still want your knife sharp as it can possibly be. Right guys, thanks for tuning in. Those are going to be the 3 essential knife skills that you need to start in a kitchen. I want you to practice holding your knife and controlling your knife when in the kitchen so that you feel more comfortable. When being more comfortable, you're able to practice your skills and you're able to really hone your skills like you hone your knife. Thank you for tuning in.